Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the measure of central tendency arithmetic means with discrete series. In this discrete series there are three methods: first direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. So first we discuss the direct method. Means in discrete series frequency against each of the observation is multiplied by the value of observation, obtained value added together and divided by the number of items, that is summation f. The formula for direct method is x bar is equal to summation fx upon summation f, whereas fx is sum of the product of variable and frequency, and summation f is equal to n, means number of item is equal to sum of frequency. Now take the example. Calculate the arithmetic mean from following data marked in the test in economics. Marks 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and number of students 6, 8, 10, 7 and 9. Here denoted the item by x and number of student by f. Second, the multiply respective x and f and denoted it as fx. Take the sum total of fx and denoted it by summation fx. The find out the total number of item, that is summation f is equal to n. Here marks are given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and number of students 6, 8, 10, 7, 9. And we add the number of students, that is summation f is equal to n is equal to 40. Or marks is denoted by x and number of student f. Now we multiply f into x, means 6 into 2, 12, 4 into 8, 32, 6 into 10, 68, 7 into 56, 10, 9, 90. Now we add summation fx is equal to 50. Now we put the value in the formula, that is summation fx divided by n, means mean x bar is equal to summation fx upon n, that is 250 divided by 40, that is mean bar x bar is equal to 6.25 marks. That is the answer of direct method. Now we calculate the shortcut method, means through the assume mean method. In this, take assume means a and take the deviation of the item from the assume means, that is d is equal to x minus a multiple respective frequency and deviation, that is fd, and take the total of product of deviation and frequency, that is summation fd. Find out the total number of item in the series, that is n is equal to summation f, and apply the formula. The formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd upon summation f. Now we apply the same formula shortcut method in the same series, that is marks 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and number of student, that is f 6, 8, 10, 7, 9. The marks we take the assume 6 and now we add the number of student, that is summation f is equal to n is equal to 40. Now we take the deviation is equal to x minus a. Now we minus value of x from the value of a, that is x minus a, means 2 minus assume value 6, that is minus 4, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 6 minus 6 0, 8 minus 6 plus 2, 10 minus 6 plus 4. Now we take the multiple of this frequency and deviation, that is 6 into minus 4 24, 8 into minus 2 minus 16, 10 into 0 is equal to 0, 7 into 2 14, 9 into 4 is equal to 36. Now we take the addition, that is summation fd is equal to plus 10. Now we put the value in the formula, that is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd upon n. The assumed value a is 6 and summation fd we find 10 and the n is equal to 40. We divide 10 40, 10 upon 40, that is 0.25 and add into 6, means 6.25. The answer is in the shortcut method is x bar is equal to 6.25 marks. Thank you.